Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and in the last video I kind of promised that I'd make a video. Uh, Somebody helped me figure out something, and I guess I knew it, but I don't ever use it. When you select these two items, you have no weld icon because you haven't converted them to curves. So you convert them to curves, and then you select them both, and you break them apart, and I mean it's you have to break them apart and then convert them to curves. And see, the inner parts of my O's went away. So we're going to get back to their text. And if you didn't watch the last video, you can, get these things closer by your shape tool and your little node there. But he suggested just go to object shaping, and on X7 and above it's under object, X6 and below it's under arrange. And that's one of the reasons I made the video. I went back and looked, and then you just go to weld and you weld it. Well, that's a couple steps, and I've done a video before on how to make a hotkey, and this is a perfect example, and it's one that you will remember. And the letter I picked, which is W for weld, I'm not currently using it. I don't think it's default, but we want to make, and you can make an icon for it, but you don't need to clutter up your toolbars. So just go to Tools, Customization. You need to go to Commands, and then I've already got Object picked because that's where it is below. You can actually go up to Object if you don't know, and go to the shaping and then weld, and it'll highlight. And then just click on that weld and go up to shortcut keys, and there's nothing assigned. So we're going to call it a W, and we're going to assign it. Corel puts it down there, and then all you have to do is hit OK. And then as always, I would save it as default. Now, when you want to, these two letters are part of text. You haven't done anything. Let's start over. Just so you'll see, I'm going to just grab two O's. I'm going to left click, right click, and sometimes you'll get some funny stuff inside Corel, but as I said in the last video, you can just zoom in or zoom out. So let's left click, right click. Let's zoom in now. I haven't done anything to them. They're still a text, but I can take this handle and move the guy closer, and then just select them both and hit the W on your keyboard for weld. It'll be easily remembered for weld, and it might help you learn how to do some other little hotkeys and shortcut keys. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.